Hello friends, good morning to all of you. This is Deepak Anand, founder and CEO of Social Vaidya. Today I am going to talk about one of the famous quotes of Stephen Covey. You are the product of your decision, not your circumstances. So friends, what you are today is totally the result and product of your past decision. So take right decision and start taking actions. I am going to ask 3 questions only. First one is, are you playing as a victim in your life story? Second, do you blame others for your current situations? And third, are you taking any actions to change your current situation or your story? Think about this and give this answer with honesty, without judgment. If your answer is yes, then this is the great opportunity to start from today. Start reading self-help books and learn something that will grow your life and start achieving your goals in your life. So friends, take the right decision and take action in a right direction and start achieving, start and do learning about your goal and don't stop until you achieve that. So friend, this is the things we have to consider and we have to follow in our life. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.